Hello everyone. Friends, in this video we are going to cover 30 very important short questions for all the competitive exams from the given topic historical wars and battles. Our first question is, which battle in 1191 saw Prithviraj Chauhan defeat Muhammad Ghori? 1191 में कौन से बैटल में पृथ्वीराज चौहान ने मोहम्मद गोरी को हराया था? फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तरेन. The Battle of Khanwa 1527 was fought between Babur and which Rajput ruler? बैटल ऑफ खानवा जो कि 1527 में हुआ था, बाबर और किस रूलर के बीच में हुआ था? राणा सांगा. Which 1565 battle led to the downfall of the विजयनगर एम्पायर? विजयनगर एम्पायर का डाउनफॉल किस बैटल से हुआ था? बैटल ऑफ तालीकोटा, ऑल्सो नोन एज रागसा तांगडी. In which battle did Sher Shah decisively defeat Humayun in 1540? बैटल ऑफ कन्नौज और बैटल ऑफ विलग्राम भी इसको बोलते हैं. The Treaty of Salbai 1782 ended which Anglo-Maratha war? It was First Anglo-Maratha war. Which battle established British supremacy in Bengal in 1757? It was Battle of Plassey. Who was the Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War? Lord Wellesley. The Treaty of Srirangapatnam was signed after which war? Third Anglo-Mysore War. Which battle in 1760 ended the French hopes of building an empire in India? Battle of Vandivas. The Treaty of Saguali 1816 was signed after which war? ट्रीटी ऑफ सगौली 1816 का जो था वो किस वार के बाद साइन हुआ? एंग्लो नेपालीज वार, जिसे गोरखा वार भी कहते हैं. विच सिख गुरु वाज मार्टीड ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ औरंगजेब? औरंगजेब के टाइम में किस सिख गुरु को मार्टीड किया गया था? गुरु तेग बहादुर. द बैटल ऑफ बक्सर जो कि 1764 में हुआ था, साथ द ब्रिटिश डिफीट द कंबाइंड फोर्सेस ऑफ मीर कासिम, सिराजुद्दौला एंड और किसका? आंसर इज शाह आलम सेकेंड जो कि मुगल एम्परर थे. विच 1556 बैटल मार्क द बिगनिंग ऑफ अकबर्स इफेक्टिव रूल? सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. द ट्रीटी ऑफ यांडाबो 1826 concluded which war? First Anglo-Burmese War. Who led the Maratha forces in the third battle of Panipat जो कि 1761 में हुआ था? सदाशिव राव बाहू. Which naval battle in 1509 established Portuguese naval supremacy in the Indian Ocean? Battle of Diu. The policy of ring fence is associated with which Governor General? Warren Hastings. Which war was ended by the Treaty of Mangalore? Second Anglo-Mysore War. The Battle of Haldi Ghati 1576 was fought between the Mughal Empire and which king? He was Maharana Pratap. Which 1849 battle is known as the Battle of Guns and led to the annexation of Punjab? Battle of Gujarat. The Treaty of Bassein 1802 was signed between British and which Maratha Peshwa? Baji Rao II. Which war was triggered by the greased cartridge incident? आंसर इज रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 जिसे फर्स्ट वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस भी कहते हैं. In which country century did the Kalinga War take place? It was 3rd century BC, approximately 261 BC. The Carnatic War were series of conflicts between which two European powers? Answer is Britain and France. Who was the Maratha king during First Anglo-Maratha War? Answer is Madhwarao Narayan Savai Madhwarao. Which battle in 1206 led to the establishment of slave dynasty? Answer is not a single battle, but assassination of Muhammad Ghori led Kutubuddin Aibak to declare independence. The Treaty of Madras 1769 ended which war? Answer is First Anglo-Mysore War. Which Mughal emperor was defeated by Nadir Shah in the Battle of Karnal 1739? Answer is Muhammad Shah Rangila. The doctrine of lapse played a major role in build-up to which 19th century conflict? Answer is Revolt of 1857. Which battle fought in 1880 marked the final collapse of the Maratha Empire? Answer is Battle of Koregaon or Battle of Asti, Third Anglo-Maratha War.